Hey everyone, this is Rich Daisley with Surgent Accounting and Financial Education. I want to take a few moments to talk about our monthly A&A update course, MAAU. We know that you've been doing a lot to stay up to speed broadly on what's going on in our profession, but we know there's also these current events that happen often unexpectedly that we need to understand so that we can apply into our everyday jobs. And that's the purpose of MAAU. In our hour monthly update call, we'll talk about the hot topics in accounting and auditing. We'll talk about such things as new accounting standards, new auditing standards, quality control standards, and just all those topics that we need to know that are hot off the presses that are imperative both for you as well as for your clients. The course happens on the last Tuesday at every month from 2 to 3 Eastern Time. So put that on your calendar, and we hope to see you at the next month as well as our remaining months of the year sessions of MAAU.